how to activate wildcard in FPL. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. To activate your self wildcard in your FPL, you will have to shuffle up your team. Yes, to start off, open up your FPL application in your device and make sure that you are logged in into your account. Tap on the Fantasy tab and make sure you have created yourself a squad. If you have not yet, just tap on Pick Team. If you already have one, select on Transfers. Now to activate your self wildcard, you have to transfer at least of 2 of the players from your squad. In order to perform transfer, all you need to do is just tap on the player and select on the Replace button. After which, you can select any of the player from the list. So repeat this process until you have transferred at least of 2 players, or in my case I almost have replaced all of my team squad over here. Once you are done, you need to select on the option of Next. When you tap on the Next button, you might be able to find that wildcard option, in which if the wildcard option is available for you, you will see an interface wildcard available. All you need to do is just tap on it. If you get the wildcard, you can make unlimited transfers without any cost. Tap on Confirm once done. And that is how you activate your wildcard in your FPL. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.